Look at that crusty cheese. I show you how to make this very quick and amazing breakfast that's perfectly good for hyperfixation ADHD food as well. First, toast your choice of bread nice and toasty. I usually use semi-brown bread. Then you heat up some oil in a non-stick pan so the cheese won't stick to the bottom, ruining the whole experience. You beat in 2 eggs, like making sunny side ups. Add your cheese of choice on top, covering the whole egg. While they are cooking, butter the toast while they are warm so it's melting into. And sometimes I like to add condiments like mayo, or nowadays I prefer tartar sauce. Spread it and go back to the eggs to carefully turn them over so the cheese can get crusty and amazing. Meanwhile, I'm making the coffee with my trusty Nespresso coffee machine. I'm lactose sensitive, so I use nut milk oat milk, which actually tastes like milk, and I love it! Let's put together our sandwich. I use ham on top, but you can use whatever and as many meat you prefer. For me this time, it's 1 on 1 each. Then I put the perfectly crusty eggs on top of the breads, and I also add this Norwegian staple spice. It's basically just dried onion and garlic salt. And that's it. Easy peasy. I love that it's quick to make, so it doesn't take much extra effort from me, and it's highly addictive. I've been eating this every single morning for over a year now, never fed up with it. To me, it's very important that the food is quick to make and the result is mind-blowing, so I wouldn't mind making it. Please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more ADHD life hacks in the future.